Thoughts on Tech video. This time comparing image sharpness on the Insta360 1R 1" and the GoPro Hero 9 Black. For this comparative, I pointed both cameras from the same spot at the test shot. The cameras were about 1 meter away from the chart, as both have large focal distances. The cameras were recording 5K video at 30 frames per second. The first set of images is on its original size. Cropping the images into 200%, I think it is visible that the Insta360 gets sharper images than the GoPro, both with GoPro's sharpness set to low and to high. The difference is even more clear if the images are amplified to 400% of the original size. So, in terms of image sharpness, the Insta360 1R 1" takes the trophy.